Trauma is defined as a disorder, psychic or behavioral state resulting from a severe mental or emotional stress or physical injury. It is classified as a severe mental condition which has to be efficiently and properly solved by the healthcare system. This statement implies a complex knowledge about recognizing trauma cases and also a well-developed communication in case you need more information for providing better quality healthcare for patients suffering of trauma. This kind of psychological event may occur in various ways and situations. It can be expressed by some non-verbal communication or different behaviors. Some of them can be aggressive. While each person who experiences a traumatic event will react differently, many do recover well with a proper support system. However, to provide a good healthcare and actually to help that patient, you need to be prepared. Do not be afraid to take some extra courses or doing self-documentation because this is a way you can grow and improve yourself, and also it helps your patient because some of them might not know how to ask for help or even if they can receive help. We need to support them by implementing in education some optional classes to provide more information about this disease. It is very important to let them know that they can receive help and that they don't have to be afraid to ask for help. People may not talk about it directly, but in their culture they have a unique way of expressing themselves about that event, either by using a specific gesture or a well-known word. For example, in Romania, on 13th of October 2015, there was a terrifying event. During a concert, there was an incident due to a fire burn which led to the deaths of many innocent young people. That event happened in the place called Colectiv. All the Romanian citizens still associate this word with that traumatic event, which led to the loss of so many loved souls. It is enough to say Colectiv in Romania so that everyone will relive that traumatic event. This is a way we use to avoid talking about this tragic story. This year, 2020, a Colectiv documentary was released. If you want to find out more about that, you should watch it. There could be some cases in which you as a medical healthcare worker cannot go through with the complexity of traumatic problem all by yourself. In this situation, you have to be able to require additional information in order to provide a personalized treatment for each patient. That kind of information can be reached only by means of communication with your colleagues or by attending to internships in different parts of the world. Just to acknowledge more information about cultural sensitivity care. For example, if you apply for different internships around the world, your general culture will be improved exponentially. Due to this improvement, you will know how to approach various patients around the world, including refugees or people living in third world. This is why communication and experience play a major role in health system. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize the meaning of information and communication combined into the development of healthcare system around the world. There is no additional information without communication, and also the main information cannot be learned without the basic means of communication. There will always be a serious relationship between this concept, without whom we either as a normal person or medical workers cannot develop any further.